What's up, guys? Good morning. Happy New Year. I hope you guys had a nice one with your family. Here at this Target, I'm gonna walk in, see if we get lucky. I'm gonna make a brief pause, and I'll catch you guys inside. Alright, guys, so here we are. So as you can see, they haven't put any new single pack Hot Wheels out. They're pretty empty. So looks like even on the Hot Wheels ID, they only have this one here. This. Let's see what we have on these 9 packs here. Let's see here. They need to have this one. I really love this Dodge. It's really cool. Another one. Check this one out. Pretty cool. One has some pretty cool cars. Check this one out, guys. This one has the bug. Here's this other one here. I'm really digging this car, guys. I might buy this 9-pack at some point. Let's see what they have over here. This one has another bug. One has another bug. Another one. Looks like it's pretty much all the same, nothing new. Put these back really quick. Yeah, let's put these back. Always make sure to clean up after yourselves, guys. It's very important. The employees here at the stores really appreciate it, and they're more willing to help you out if you clean after yourself. So be conscientious of that, and be courteous and respectful towards others. So yeah, let's move on to these 5-packs here. Let's see, HW Design Lab, HW Glow Wheels. This one's pretty new. I haven't seen this one before. Not into those though. And here they have Night Burners, X Racers, HW Racers, Rescue. Not very much, guys. As you can see, they're full, but nothing that really catches my eye. This one I already have. It's pretty cool. They have this mega hauler here, and it looks like it's got 50% off, guys. It's on clearance, so it's a pretty good buy if you're into this kind of stuff. I'm not sure how many cards it holds. Let's see. It looks like 8. Looks like it holds about 40 cards or something like that, guys. Not bad. Let's see, over here they have some of these color crashers. Cool. Here they have the Mario Kart. Here's Donkey Kong. Another Shy Guy, and another Donkey Kong. This one looks pretty cool. Let's see what else they have over here. Hot Wheels Flying Customs. Nice. Here they have the Hot Wheels Stop and Go. Looks like they're retroing it, guys. Look at this. Has the old school Hot Wheels logo on it. Pretty cool. Pretty much the same all around. Let's see, here they have the Marine Rescue Shark Ship. Here's another Hot Wheels Flying Custom, and here is a Super Mario. Let's see, I'm not sure if this one belongs here. Here's another Mario Kart. Pretty cool. Here they have some Monster Jam. It's like they have like different years and stuff like that. Pretty cool. Over here they have these Hot Wheels Track Builders. Let's see this one here. And over here we have this one with a loop. Pretty cool. Oops. And dropping stuff. Pick this up, guys. Let's see here. Alright, guys, so here they have some of these Mario Kart single packs and double packs, 4 packs. Here's another one. Let's take a look at these premium. So it looks like they stocked up on these. They have this Volkswagen IDR. They have this Lancia 037. This one's pretty cool. Here's another Volkswagen IDR. Nice. They have this Audi Sport Quattro. This one I'm definitely gonna take. Don't have this one. Down here they have this nice little Porsche 934.5. Definitely gonna pick this one up as well, guys. And here they have the Ford RS200. Pretty cool. There's another Lancia. Oops. Yeah, it looks like it's pretty much the same, guys. I'm not gonna look through them all because then I'm gonna start dropping stuff. So I'm just gonna put these back over here. Alright guys, so I had to make a brief pause because, you know, there were too many guys here hitting the Hot Wheels section, so I had to stop. Or guys, you know, asking questions and stuff. So anyways, guys, so let me continue showing you what they have. And I'm gonna be very quick because it looks like there are more people coming. So here you go, guys.
Hey, don't go anywhere, girls.
So this is what they have, guys. Some of these Ninja Turtles, some monster trucks, some of these large-scale monster trucks. Looks like this one is getting left behind. Nobody cares for it, so there's some more down here. Now they have this one here. Some Monster Jam. We have some more single pack Monster Jams over here. Got these Boom City Racers, Ricky Zoom, Flywheels, Matchbox. It's pretty empty on the Matchboxes. Here we have some little 5-packs.
Come here, daddy.
Micro Machines. Some Green Light. Here they have these large scale Jetta toys. They have this 2010 Chevy Camaro. We have the 1970 Mustang Boss, 1957 Chevy Bel Air, another 2010 Chevy Camaro. And here's another one. And there's another one over there. Put these back in quick. Knight Rider. These are new. This one's pretty cool. Check this one here. There's another one. Check this one out. And here's this other one. Alright guys, I'm gonna take off. That is all they have for today. So anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys have a good day. Take care. God bless. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.